Motto, ahoy hoy, and more importantly, Merry Christmas. It's that time of year again. So here's the short version of the upload, because the last one was really long. Introduction to the guitar. The second guitar I ever bought, the Washburn KC90. It cost me £350 from Pete Cook's Guitar World. I purchased it in 1990. It's hanging on my father's wall. I have bought a white version. This is a black one which I bought off Gareth on eBay. Hermes sucks. Hermes sucks. Hermes sucks. It's taken a month to turn up, during which time we both gave up on it. I got my money back. He got very little money back, but he's been paid now because that's the right thing to do in this world. Talk about the guitar. It is the top of the range for the Washburn Chicago series, the end of the super strats in my mind, before Ibanez came along and changed the market. What makes it so great? We've got a maple neck with a scarf joint headstock. We've got Goto tuners. We've Japanese carved body. So you've got a nice little bulge here and on the underside as well. The neck joint, we've got 4 little ferrules instead of a plate, and the back of it is slanted to give better access. The pickups were USA hand wound, a JB, and the 2 standard vintage Strat pickups. At the moment, that one's a Wilkinson, which, as you will hear, sounds fantastic. This one's the standard. Sounds a bit weak. I think it's probably to do with the height I've got it at. The JB is coil tappable. I've put a lovely strap on it, which is the Damasio clip lock. Why? Because it's all I could afford in 1990 to look like an Ibanez. The body is 2-piece ash and is wonderfully solid. We've got access carves here and here, 24 frets, beautiful fretboard, rosewood, maple, super skinny neck, super skinny, and a flat board. Why is that good? Better for spending notes on. The trem is top of the range, and it was made in the same factory as Jackson Pros at the time. I love this guitar, and playing it has brought back all the memories of 1990s to me. Anyway, on with the tone test. And we're back in the room, right. So that's the humbucker. That's the single coil part of it. Middle. A little weak, maybe the pickup height needs changing on that one. And neck. That's interesting. That's a replacement that Gareth put in. Thank you, Gareth. It's a Wilkinson. Now, as you know, if you watch these videos, I love Wilkinson stuff. That's a great sounding pickup. midway. Oh. That's nice. That's very nice. Yeah, I may keep that. Middle needs a bit of a look at, though, sound wise. And if we put on position 2 and coil tap the humbucker, we get the single chords of those. Yeah, something's up with that middle pickup. But that's not what this was made for. This was made for making more noise. So, JB humbucker. Turn that down, we don't want to upset the neighbours. Nice. And of course, that's the old thing. So there we are, a completed, updated, return to my second ever guitar, which is a real pleasure to have back. So thank you to Gareth for selling it, and not really thanks to Hermes for delivering it a month late. Thank you to Stephen for an idea of something we can upgrade on it. Give me your ideas about what I should do with the pickups. Do I need to update the neck pickup or not? Apart from that, thanks for the last year. Merry Christmas for today. Subscribe. More videos. And the cat. Toodle pip.